Stop by and take a look at the 2021 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, perimeter alarm, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find rear view camera, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, power door locks, tachometer, power steering, tilt steering wheel, leather wrapped steering wheel, overhead console. Come take a test drive today.